to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be making you how to make Spanish patatas using these ingredients: 4 eggs, 3 potatoes, 1 large onion, fresh coriander, optional, a generous amount of olive oil. You will need a large frying pan to fry the potatoes and onions in some oil, and a smaller frying pan to mix in the omelette. Let's get cooking. Now we're going to start to cut the onions. We cut these first as they caramelize better when you cut them before the potatoes. Cut the potatoes, cut them into quarters and slice them into 3mm slices. These are the perfect slices to fry in oil. The frying pan is super hot, and then start putting a lot of oil into the frying pan. I don't really measure this part, I just eyeball it, but it needs quite a lot of oil. Start adding the onions and potatoes. Give it a good stir. Now we're going to bake 4 eggs. Now pour the potato and onion mixture into the eggs. In 10 minutes, take the lid off and add the coriander and some salt.